Hi, in this Diksha tutorial, I'll show you how to search for a lesson plan and how to access trainings. So first, let's get started with the first part, that is how to search for lesson plans. So I am currently in the library tab. This is the training tab and this is the library tab. So I'm going to go into the search bar of my library tab and I'm going to search lesson plan. Here it's going to give me a list of lesson plans. So I'm going to filter over here on the top right corner and I'm going to choose my class, say 10th grade, confirm, subject, say English, confirm, and apply the filter. So it's going to give me all lesson plans of English in class 10th. Now here the lesson plans don't necessarily have the name written clearly, so you'll have to open each lesson plan to see what the content is about. Now this could be a little challenging, however, you will be able to find some lesson plans with the names right on top and a description. Let's just open one of them and see how they look. So I'm gonna you can either download it with this download option, so it will download it on your mobile in the downloads tab of the app. And if I simply play it, I will be able to view the entire lesson plan. Once I'm done, I can also rate the content if I found it useful or not. Right now, since I haven't looked through it, I'm not going to share a rating.